Hey, have you ever noticed something? Every time when you dealing with ethnicity around you, you're always dealing with people talking about certain things. I'll give you an example here. I am an African American man. Well, let's cut that for African American. I'm not from Africa. I am an American who has to be black. Well, I'm not dark as a black you see on the crayon, but I got a little brown. My skin's a little bit darker than a person who's brown skin. So, am I African? Am I black? Am I what said Negro? Or am I what? Where am I? A lot of times we get so confused about what is our ethnicity that we also get confused with everything that's around us in everything we do. If you go to Africa, they know who they are. If you go to different tribes in Africa, they know who they are. Even the Africans that go to Europe, they know who they are. Even the Africans that come to America, they become African Americans. It's really amazing that the ones who are born in America really don't know who they really are. But even that is a problem because 9 times out of 10 is something about them. They lose their identity to trying to be with everybody else. But this is a problem with this too. Here it is. Why are we trying so hard to be like everybody else? And you got to be black this, black this, black this, black that, black this, black this, black this, black that. You got the black, the black Americans this, and you got the Black Heritage Month. You got the black television. You got black radio. You got black history month. You got black this, black, 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 black. Have you ever seen things as white America, white this, white that? If you did, you will go berserk and you will go crazy. So, why are we keep harping on the black and white, Hispanic, Puerto Rican, this all the time? Because that's what we learn. So let's unlearn this Falco here and be able to understand we're just Americans. So my new series coming out for the Biblical Editorial Review is going to hit on these things biblically. And a lot of the things I'm going to talk about is going to make people really mad, which that's my specialty nowadays, is making people angry. And I'm glad because I love to make people mad so they can think. So my new series called Black, 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 Black. Why are we Americans instead? And let's go in deep in the spiritual perspective of why we just simply can't be black in America. Stay tuned. It's coming started this month on the Biblical Editorial Review.